One thing about summer dinners, you always need a simple side dish. And if you are still boiling your corn, then you need to try this garlic butter corn instead. It is now one of my favorite summertime side dish. First, I started off boiling my corn. You can add some salt to the water, and you're just going to boil it for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to start off with my garlic butter sauce. I added about half a stick of butter and about 4 cloves of garlic, and this is fresh garlic. Added some parsley, and you're going to season this to taste. I use everything bagel, and I did added some slap your mama Cajun seasoning also. And you're going to remove that from the heat. Remove your corns from the boiling water, and you're going to put it in the container that you'll be baking it in. I use this Pyrex dish. Then you're going to pour all the garlic butter sauce, and you're going to season again. I added some more parsley, some paprika, I think some oregano, and you just want to make sure that's incorporated into the corn mixture. When that's done, you're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees, and then you're going to bake it for about 15 minutes. Would you try this? Let me know in the comments. And once that's done, it should look like this. At this point, you can add some Parmesan cheese. I didn't have any, but I sure will try it the next time. Let me know if you'll try.